Bullish mirror convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 65 cents and $1.24 by 2030. Market examiners accept mirror could reach 51 cents by 2025. Bearish mirror convention market cost expectation for 2023 is 11 cents. Reflect convention presentation. With regards to fighting open-door disparity in the monetary space, mirror convention is an imaginative and possibly progressive task that could open a universe of chance. Assuming you're keen on finding out about the cost of mirror convention, look no further. In this video, we have summed up our definite mirror convention cost forecasts, from mirror convention value today to least cost, normal cost, greatest cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is mirror convention a wise venture for what's to come? We should figure it out. What is mirror convention? Reflect convention is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain convention worked by Terraform Labs. The venture was made with the mean to give more current ways of getting to back and exchanging choices and tackle the developing disparity issue, the cryptographic money market. The convention empowers the making of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The convention enables brokers to exchange values any place, whenever, every minute of every day. It can do this by printing manufactured resources, additionally called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are fueled by shrewd agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to reflect the value conduct of the basic genuine resources they address, permitting dealers to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry a plenty of benefits to the mirror convention organization. They dispose of the requirement for mediator techniques and give worldwide openness to any individual who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether brokers own the fundamental resource, mirror assists them with taking part in cost hypothesis or direct venture with no limitation. The mirror token. The local badge of the mirror convention stage is called mirror. It is the administration token and is additionally used to remunerate liquidity suppliers and for marking. The token was intended to be genuinely appropriated. Importance: there have never been any financial backer or pre-deal mirror coins. Mirror tokens are compensated to financial backers who assist with keeping up with the solidness of land and are gotten from exchanging charges and the cash paid for making surveys or shutting positions on M-assets. There is a most extreme stockpile of 370,575,000 mirror tokens delivered north of 4 years. Reflect convention specialized examination. While the functions of this intriguing DeFi project are unquestionably mind-boggling, Mirror Conventions Group has figured out how to make a stage that is certainly worth the difficult work. The manufactured resources Mirror offers are really strong, and the whole biological system is built for huge development, having gotten the eyes of significant financial backers in the digital currency market. Brokers in the present crypto market who have little confidence in Money Road and significant organizations in our monetary framework can track down a magnificent option in Mirror Convention. As the stage fills from now on, the scope of resources accessible will likewise increment, and almost certainly, the cost of mirror convention could arrive at an untouched high soon. For brokers hoping to make a speculation, the mirror coin is a significant token to look out for from here on out. Reflect convention current cost. Reflect convention is at present worth 14 cents USD. Mirror has moved 9.21% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,766,180. Reflect convention is at present position 703 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $11,216,190 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for mirror convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous mirror convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Reflect convention value expectation 2023. Reflect convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The mirror cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 21 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 20 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mirror is supposed to have a base worth of 17 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2024. In 2024, mirror convention mirror cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of mirror will before long outperform 36 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the mirror's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, mirror will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 29 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 32 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 51 cents and mirror might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mirror is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 46 cents and a low of 43 cents in 2025. Reflect convention value forecast 2026. On the off chance that mirror convention effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the mirror coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, mirror will be green in 2026. The mirror is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 65 cents, with a base cost of 58 cents and a typical cost of 61 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the mirror cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 75 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 72 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, mirror has a greatest value worth of 80 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 90 cents. On the off chance that mirror figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 94 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help mirror needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 87 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2029. While mirror is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.02 and a yearly cost close above $1.09 in 2029. Reflect convention value expectation 2030. By 2030, mirror convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.17 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.24, averaging out at $1.20. Reflect convention value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme mirror cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.43 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.37. And what is the mirror convention cost today? Today, mirror convention is exchanging at 14 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $11,216,190. Is mirror convention a wise venture? Reflect convention ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy